Erin, today we're unboxing a huge dinosaur head. And I think it has things inside. What does it have? Whoa, what is that? Let's see everything it has inside. A lot of different things inside. I see some eggs. What else is inside this head? We have some dinosaurs. We have another bag of dinosaurs. Cool. I can't wait to open everything. Let's get these dinosaurs out. And let's close our dinosaur head. Okay, so first up we have a Stegosaurus. Whoa. And are they fighting with the Therizinosaurus? Which one do you have, Erin? The Therizinosaur dinosaur with the big claws. Let's open this bag. We have a lot of dinosaurs. So exciting. We have Stegosaurus. Which one do you have? You have some babies? Oh, mommy and baby Triceratops. We have Parasaurolophus. Triceratops with the mommy and the baby. Let's put the mommy and the baby together. So we have mama, and then we have two babies right here. We can do the Stegosaurus, baby Stegosaurus. We can do Tyrannosaurus Rex on this side. And we have a baby, another baby Stegosaurus. We have Spinosaurus too here with us. Let's do Spinosaurus over here. Oh, we have Ankylosaurus. Where's the mommy? We got mom Ankylosaurus and then the baby. We have some Brachiosaurus too. Let's put it over here. Ankylosaurus. Yeah, we have 3 Ankylosaurus. We have Brachiosaurus too. And I did see a baby over here. And Velociraptor. Okay, now that we opened the bag of dinosaurs, let's open this. See some eggs, some gates, trees. We have some dinosaur eggs. Let's put some eggs to the Stegosaurus.
What? Eggs?
Yeah, we have some eggs, Erin. We're going to put more eggs over here. We can put eggs to the Ankylosaurus too. Some eggs to the Velociraptors. We could put egg to the Parasaurolophus. Oh no, our Velociraptor's eating our Stegosaurus egg. The mama Stegosaurus is gonna fight. Let's build these gates we have. Let's build them together. Put our enclosure, and we're putting a T-Rex because they're very dangerous. Oh no, looks like the Therizinosaurus wants to eat the dinosaur eggs. Let's stop him. Triceratops. Stop. And the Triceratops saved the day. Okay friends, these are all of our cool dinosaurs that we found today in our huge dinosaur head. We have a lot of different dinosaurs. We have some Triceratops, the Therizinosaurus, T-Rex. We have some herbivores like Ankylosaurus, Stegosaurus, and our huge dinosaur egg where we will put all of the dinosaurs back. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Bye, friends.